सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं जगदसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलवचनं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तन्नमामि सद्गुरुं तन्नमामि। हे प्रभो आनन्ददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दूर हमसे कीजिए। लीजिए हमको शरण में, हम सदाचारी बने, ब्रह्मचिंतक धर्म रक्षक वीरवतधारी बने। हे प्रभु आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। निंदा किसी की हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करे, सत्य बोले झूठ त्यागी मेरा आपस में करे। हे प्रभु आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें, दीर्घ जीवन हो हमारा तेरे यश गाया करे। हे प्रभु आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए, दूर हमसे कीजिए। जय गुरुदेव चिन्मयानंद प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेव अहर्निशम्। जय गुरुदेव चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेव अहर्निशम्। धर्मोद्धारकं गीताप्रचारकं धर्मोद्धारकं गीताप्रचारकम् आनन्दरूपम् आत्मस्वरूपम् आनन्दरूपम् आत्मस्वरूपम्। जय गुरुदेव चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेव अहर्निशम्। तामसहारकम् उत्साहवर्धकम् तामसहारकम् उत्साहवर्धकम् तपोनिशेषम् तत्त्वस्वरूपम् तपोनिशेषम् तत्त्वस्वरूपम्। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेव अहर्निशम्। प्रेमहृदयिनं परमविरागिनं प्रेमहृदयिनं परमविरागिनं सन्न्यासिनं शिरसा नमाम्यहं सन्न्यासिनं शिरसा नमाम्यहं। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवं महर्निशं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवं महर्निशं प्रणमाम्यहं Anyone else wants to sing? Yeah. 1 second. One minute. Yeah. Anyone else want to sing? Archana, you want to sing? Divya? Sing.
Okay, sir. Guru Maharaj, Guru Maharaj, Guru Maharaj, Guru Maharaj, स्वीकार करो मेरा प्रणाम, स्वीकार करो मेरा प्रणाम। ज्ञान बिना दिन बीत नहीं, गुरु नाम ही सब मन जीत लिए। ज्ञान बिना दिन बीत नहीं, गुरु नाम ही सब मन जीत लिए। हर पल हर दम कहते चले, हर पल हर दम कहते चले, ओम गुरु जय गुरु गाते चले, हरि ओम गुरु जय गुरु गाते चले। प्रेम की धारा बहाते चले, इस नदिया में बहते चले। प्रेम की धारा बहाते चले, इस नदिया में बहते चले। चिन्मय सद्गुरु गाते चले, चिन्मय सद्गुरु गाते चले। आनंद आनंद लेते चले, परमानंद आनंद लेते चले। गुरु महाराज, गुरु महाराज स्वीकार करो मेरा प्रणाम, स्वीकार करो मेरा प्रणाम, स्वीकार करो मेरा प्रणाम। श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Anyone else? Archana?
रवि नमामि गुरुवर।
दोनों साथ में करें।
तू लेना, I will join you. हाई पिच तू लेना। भरतव शरणं तव शरण, लैग आता है ना?
एक ही का है तो आवाज है बोल।
रवि का रवि तू गा, पूरा गा, चलेगा गा। मैं इधर साथ गा रही हूँ, म्यूट करके मैं गा रही हूँ साथ में। गा गा, लैग होगा, गा तू गा। नमामि गुरुवर तव शरणं तव शरणं तव शरणं
भागीरथी से प्रेरण पाकर उतरे हिम से, हे परमेश्वर तुझको
तुझे
पूजे। हाँ, हे पुरुषोत्तम तुझे
तुझे
पुकारे।
पुकारे श्री
श्री
गुरुदेवा सरि ग ग रे ग प प ग प नि नि प नि सा सा ग सा
गरि
नि सा
सारि
नि सा
सानि
नि
सानि
प ग नि
पगनि
प व ग रि नमामि गुरुवर तव शरणं तव शरणं तव शरणं नित्य निरन्तर करे यज्ञ तो मार्ग दिखाकर स्थित प्रज्ञ तो
तू ही ईश्वर तू ही
तपोवन
पूजा
की आशीषों
से
में
वसुंधरा अब धन्य हुई है। सारे ग ग रे ग प प ग प नि नि प नि सा सा ग रे सा रे सा नि प ग रे सा नि नमामि गुरुवर तव शरणं तव
तब
शरणं तव शरणं।
क्षमाशील तो शक्ति तो ज्ञान योगी तो ज्ञान मूर्ति तो
तू ही ईश्वर तू ही पूजा, तुझको पाकर सफल हुए सब। सारे ग ग रे ग प प ग प नि प नि सा सा ग रे सा रे सा नि प ग रे सा रि नमामि गुरुवर तव शरणं तव शरणं तव शरणं। तव शरणं तव शरणं।
श्री
सद्गुरुनाथ
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Archana, just sing it and post on the group, no?
हम्म,
Very nice. रवि तो आ रहा है भजन को, ये गाना शाम को मस्त है, शाम को start the group. It is because of Gurudev's grace, blessings, and His infinite mercy that we are together today. I had written a letter to Guruji. Where would we without you? Like same thing I said, that where would all of us have been without Gurudev's grace? Hmm? Just imagine our life without Chinmay Mission or Gurudev. We can't even think of it. And that Gurudev, by his grace only, has been installed in our hearts. And remember that everything which is going on is because of his infinite mercy and grace. See, each one of us, of the people, get connected to its source. Like, there's a bulb, there's a fan, there's a mixer, there's a TV. All are connected to and all are functioning because of that electricity. Likewise, all of these people in this cosmos, world war, and spiritual field get connected to that divinity through some source. And that source in for us all is Gurudev. Who's filled with, you know what to say, the compassion, love, mercy, divinity, and His grace alone regulates our life. Therefore, like Divya said before the group, that at least one mala of Om Sri Chinmay Gurudev, Chinmay Sadguru Vinama, we chant that at least, uh, is like a gratitude at His feet. That because today whatever we are is because of His teachings, eh, and grace. There's so many incidents in life where Gurudev played a vital role. I can let me see if while Guru goes on, if I may remember, I can tell you all something. If anyone has to share anything, you can share. But then we continue. कुछ बोलना है? Anyone? Because the Gurudev is such a topic. If I start speaking, I can't speak on it.
So this is not a topic, I guess. I mean, you fall short of words because he is an experience that you live with. I
Yeah,
mean, small incidents, the grace that flows through so much, and there's nothing else to feel apart from feeling grateful. And in that gratitude that you do your actions, that I think that's the best ever return gift we give to him. Be grateful and remember him, because and he's told us, right, he's waiting at the gates of heaven for all of us. So jaldi se kaam nipta ke jana hai wahan pe, so that we are
उसके लिए
with him.
उसके लिए देन ठीक है, ज़्यादा इसीलिए we have to be in contact him. We have to get connected to him always. Okay? In either any way which you feel right, but be connected and see. Uh, Ultimately, what he says, the closer you come to me, the nearer I come to you. I shall meet you in the seat of meditation. He says, right? So rather than being sentimental, he says that the people who are sentimental become mental after some time. Let us be logical, rational, and live up to his expectations and his teachings. Okay. आता काय गुरुदेव म्हटलं की आम्ही
So,
रडायला लागतो.
because of Gurudev, every phase of our life has been a memorable one. Be it
Absolutely.
childhood, be it Yuva Kendra,
Yeah.
Chick. The other day I was talking to Ravi. We were sharing the thoughts. We have got this company, a bond that we have amongst us. It is only because of Gurudev. It is because of Balvihar and whatever we have shared with each other. Today, wherever we go, we may be a good teacher, we may be a good leader, we may be a good team worker. It is all what we have learned because of Gurudev. So,
Absolutely.
my child can never be alone. He has always
Yeah.
proved
Yeah.
us in each and every step that we have taken. So, at every breath, teaching that book, when we read, no, we can experience that in our life as well.
Yeah.
So today when I restart, we had the first session of a new Bal Vihar today. So there were parents, who were asking me, how do we deal with the mental health that kids are saying today? I'm having a very bad mental kid. So one parent asked me, did you have any mental health problems? I said no, because I'm a Chinmaya kid and Gurudev is there. So there's no I may make people mental by my talk, but I don't have any such issues, because I know that he is there with me and there's no need for me to feel depressed. So especially in when
And
you
see,
feel really.
right from childhood, na, we have been brought up by Chinmay family. So when we say we stand on the
Yes.
family, it is really a family. Maybe we are close, we are far, that is immaterial. But what, as you said, the bond which is created because of him, that till the last breath of our life will remain. So that is go forward, and as far as possible, try to meet his expectations. And what we see, initially he has given us whatever we want, so that he might give us what he wants now. And now this is the stage where he wants to give something, and then we have to grasp it and try to reach it with our purushartha. Now surrender and he will take care of. See, एका महात्माने सांगितलं होतं आपल्या काकूने, त्यामुळे परमार्थ हा करायला लागतो आणि पुरुषार्थ आपलं प्रपंच होत असतो. प्रपंच काय न करता झालं, काय केलं तुम्ही? पाठ केलं, लग्न झालं, मुलं बाळ झाली, नोकरी झाली, तुमचं चाललंय. पण परमार्थ हा आपल्याला बसून एका जागी करायला लागतो, है ना. आणि एक जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, नेव्हर ओव्हरडू एनिथिंग. Be in the limits, because otherwise, see that if that balance is disturbed, still you have got a problem. I met somebody other day who was fully in spirituality, but then neglecting his daily what is his responsibilities. That is also not good. We have to maintain that balance in spirituality as well as our worldly activity, samsara. That is why Grahastha is considered more superior than the sannyasi. सन्यासी को तो उन्होंने सन्यास लिया तो क्या भगवान का नाम नहीं, दूसरा हो जाता है. Grahastha has to see to it that his home is also, running on well, and so also his spiritual progress, right? And if you are a homemaker, you are working somewhere, you are looking at the kids, you are looking at the family, all that is said and done, and that perfection which you have attained, and that you know what, balance which you have earned or got, is only because of Gurudev's grace and teachings. A simple teaching: keep smiling. It has been just registered in the mind from childhood, isn't it? And that smile that gives the other person who's interacting tons of positive energy. One smile. Now you see people around, how oblong faces they are. हंसते नहीं यार, हंसना बहुत उनको प्रॉब्लम है. And Gurudev said, enjoy your life, laugh it out, be cheerful, be enthusiastic. Never, even in your tragedies, learn to smile and laugh it out. There are innumerable instances. क्या बोले, there are so many coming in front of my eyes. Anyway,
But Gurudev's grace is so much that even if we wander off, for example, me, even if I wander off anywhere, like I've been away, like there's a gap, right? Even though there's a Chinmay mission here in Toronto, but I never happened to go. I just went a couple of times.
You have to go. You have
The
to
connection wasn't there, but somehow that string was always there from childhood. And then we again met together for Narada Bhakti Sutra this last 2-3 years back.
But then Aryan is
connection.
You have gone to Chinmay mission in Toronto or not yet?
I've been there, but not a regular. Like I've been.
Today you got an opportunity. You can go to this Mahasamadhi Din.
Okay.
It's possible.
Yeah,
Try.
Yeah, I'll check there what the program is, and I'll go.
Go. Chalo. Can anyone also say anything? If I remember, there are so many incidents, experiences. जो याद आएगा बताएंगे क्या हुआ. For example, when I was a child, I used to throw apple. I was 1 or 2 years old. Apple फेंकने का, I still remember. Atur Sangatan's bungalow. My father used to take me. जोर से apple फेंकने का, मैं इतना छोटा, मेरे को apple कैसा पकड़, big apples are huge. अभी कैसा hybrid नहीं थे. That time the apples were so big. And that time 100 rupees kg was that. That time 100, where the pay was 230, 250 rupees pay per month. तो वो तभी 100 rupees के तभी आदमी, I don't know why. I remember. And she threw at everyone. मेरे को पकड़ने नहीं. Then I used to sit like that in front. So come here. It's just मेरे को sit on the lap and give an apple in his hand, from his hand. Still remember that. कितने incidents है that this is mercy was, you know. Yeah, once in a, see how their compassion and love is there. Abhi we are in a camp in Powai, and every day कुछ ना कुछ काम करने का. I used to take the padukas to put him, but then one brahmachari came there. No, you don't touch that paduka, sir. That is my job. Okay. अभी क्या करने का? The stick was there. He used to come walk with the stick. He used to keep the stick at the side. So after his talk, I used to go out and run, bring the stick and give it to him from the stage when he gets down. The moment he used to give us beautiful smile, thank you, he used to say every day. That continued for 7 days. But then see how he interacts with others. That we learn that, see, even a small thing done by a inconspicuous person. And what is our standing there? Zero. Giving a stick, what is it? But looking, smiling, that one smile and saying thank you. How much satisfaction and what to say? Yeah, pride it would give me. Arey, Gurudev said thank you to me. And that is small, 11, 12 में तेरे, ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं. But still, ऐसे मजा में कितने instances I've, once you start saying it, so many instances come. Once when the Garwara Yajna was going on, that was, I was in SY. Garwara Yajna चल रहा था. So he was felicitating, last day, he was felicitating all the workers with that one book is a work with action. Work in action or something. I forgot the book's name. I lost it also, that's why I don't have. Work in action or something. And then he was given to, and then my name was announced on the mic, that Tushar. I was on the stage, putting his Vyaspeeth and arrange, because that they used to take it out. We used to have a cultural program. Again, you have to put it down. So we used to put it down, put the bed, put it properly, and then I had the name from the stage, and this program was going on somewhere else. We had a chick camp also for that. There was a pendal, big pendal, and Yadnesha was different. So from there I ran, but I could not. The gate was that side. So what I did, there's a curtain like that. I put it up under the curtain. Pura matti se big guy kya. I saw crawling. I went. Gurudev is looking. Where is he? In this side like that. So when I came, the people said, the boys, the chick member said, Gurudev, here. So he looked at me. He looked at the mud. I saw he cleaned it. Literally, all this cleaned it. He put his hand on my head. Did like that. So pura matti se big guy tha. And they gave me the book. I was so overwhelmed. What to do? I didn't know what to do. And then he said, take it. But then afterwards, again, I had to go to put that thing. I kept the book somewhere. And then someone took it. I lost it. I didn't get the book at all. Maja. There are so many incidents. When we went to take Mantra Diksha in 89, 13 January, still remember. And Shirish was there. Shirish Ketkar, he wrote a letter to Gurudev. So saying that, Gurudev, I want a Mantra Diksha. When should we come? So he wrote a letter and replied back. So he said, come on 13th of January at Churchgate. He used to stay at somebody's place in a flat in Churchgate. So then we went by Asiad, took a bus, took a cab or something, and then reached the place at 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30. Guruji was standing in the gate and the door, not allowing him because Guruji was weak at that time. So I didn't know who Guruji was. That was the first time when I saw Guruji. Literally. So he said, what? You have to meet Gurudev. He said, no one can meet him. Then I told him, so Guru Swamiji has written letter, he has called us. Don't come in the morning. I literally brushed him off. I don't know who Swamiji is. Yeah, we went inside. That was there. Javani ka Josh. And then then Shirish went and said, Gurudev, you had written to you. What? I'm from Pune. Yes. This is the mala you're going to initiate it. Yes. So we stayed at Powai, brought the mala from there, and came to this place, Churchgate. So he said, and what about you? Asked me. Yes, same. Even I want to. Did you write to me? I said, no. Then? No, nothing to you. Go on. You go out. He has written to me, he can come. मेरे को क्या बोला अभी नहीं तो नहीं क्या फर्क है मैं खुश है बोला ओके गुरुदेव next time I'll write and come मैं जा रहा बाहर अपने गया बाहर he told him to wait again he told us to wait because someone came in that time and then he called Shirish को अंदर लेके गया मंत्र दीक्षा जी सब हुआ बाहर है he told him go and call your friend and then he called me and said why you should be a disciplined person you have to be कुछ बोला regarding discipline that you should have written to me and all that and then give the mantra put the mala and then held her hand my hand in his hand and then देने गुरु दक्षिणा से मन कुछ दिया नहीं तो उन्होंने क्या दे देंगे गुरु दक्षिणा इतना बड़ा तभी पार्ले का डब्बा आता था ना इतना बड़ा रिमेम्बर पार्ले का वो बड़ा इतना उन्होंने खींचा किसने और वो हमको दोनों को दिया हमको दोनों को उठाने आ रहा है और one big टोकरी of apples that apple continued in my life till the end वापस afterwards also I'll tell you incident ठीक है that apple big टोकरी more than about क्या करने का समझ में नहीं आ रहा हमको दोनों को उठाने नहीं आ रहा है इतना एप्पल और गुरुदेव को हमने देना क्या तो गुरुदेव गिव अस सो मच और क्या चाहिए एंड देन वी हैव टू बुक अ कैब बिकॉज़ हाउ टू टेक इट ना टू पुणे मेरे पास तो पैसे नहीं थे ही वाज वर्किंग इन द बैंक दैट टाइम सो दैट सो मेनी सेंस आर देयर बट दिस ग्रेस कंटिन्यूज हमको लगता कुछ नहीं he once the Lord decides to grace you and bless you there is the innumerable ways only one thing is there we should be sincere truthful to the core of our heart and pure. But then it is his duty to see that how to catch you.
So there's one thing I would like to share about the grace that you just said. When I was pregnant with Bharat, I was in US and there was no one who had come for me. It was only Shri and me who were there and I was kind of very low, because Amma Appa were not there, both the sides. So, and I was away from mission also for quite some time. And then that time I came to know that Guruji was in Piercy, California. And I got the number, but I emailed him first. And then I got the number and I called him up and he was like, sab baat kiya. And then he asked me, kya hua? And then I told him, like, I'm pregnant और कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे ख्याल रखने के लिए मेरा I'm kind of feeling scared. Then he said कि why are you thinking कोई नहीं है, गुरुदेव है, मैं हूँ, who else do you need with your help, with your side? We are there no for you, हम सब, we will take care of you. There will be no complications in your pregnancy, nothing will happen. And then he asked कि भरत, he asked कब है, and I said रामनवमी का टाइम है गुरुजी, they have given the due date. Then he said लड़का हुआ ना उसका नाम भरत रखना. And just the due date was 19th April for me. This kid did not trouble me one bit. I spoke to him in my third trimester, third month, and after that I could not talk to him, to Guruji. And after that, each and every time I had some anxious feeling or anxiety or scared feeling, I could feel that comfort around me. And his words even now ring. I am there for you. Why are you scared? मैं हूँ. And that is continuing till now. Anytime I feel अरे नहीं हो रहा है, I have to just remember Guruji and what he said. I'm there for you. Don't worry. And as soon as Bharat was born, I told Shri, we'll name the kid Bharat. He said, okay, fine. I mean, even Appa is a huge Rama devotee, so I wanted to keep his name related to Rama clan. And then when we came home, the astrologer asked कि इसका धनु राशि है, तुमने हॉरोस्कोप देख के इसका नाम रखा था क्या? I said नहीं, मेरे गुरुजी ने मेरे को नाम बोला भरत रखो, मैंने उतना ही रखा. तो he said नहीं, इसका धनु राशि है, धनु राशि के हिसाब से भ से नाम होना चाहिए. Beautiful name you've given your kid करके. And then after years after, when I realized na कि Guruji what he meant in that phone call, I mean, it still gives me goosebumps, He's like, मैं हूँ. Why are you worrying? अम्मा अपा नहीं है तो क्या हुआ? I am there, no. And till today, he proves it, I mean, every time Bharat is into some anxiety attack or anything, he proves it to me. Tu shant rahe. You be calm so that he is calm. And he calms me down.
It is the experience of each and everyone. Yeah. Not everyone has his own experience, only that we are saying it loud, others are keeping quiet. सबके पास ना कुछ भी treasure है. Everyone has. I mean, if you tell also, I know. If you don't tell also, we know. Right. चलो थोड़ा कुछ रहेगा नहीं तो एक थोड़ा ग्रुप लेंगे. अरे we share the thing. Because you have to close the group early today. आज मनाश लोग ने लेंगे. We will reach by 7 there. We are में आज भजन है दिव्या. You have to reach. I don't know where we are reached now. This is the thing. Jet is relax उधर से वहीं से शुरू करना है देवी. No. We didn't do this. We didn't do this. नहीं. Jet is आज इधर से शुरू करना. Someone read. गीता. अरे लास्ट टाइम तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग पोस्ट नहीं किया क्या? एवरी वीक करते जाके क्या फिर इट विल रिमेन एट द थिंग. एनीवे.
Jet age relaxed. Our age is characterized by abnormal and almost suicidal stress and strain, hurry and waste. Generally, this is attributed to the fast life of metropolis and to the speed that has engulfed us in this jet era. But these are only the hurried conclusions of a very superficial observer of the mere outer shell of happenings and the objective arrangements of things in life. A subjective study of the inner nature and working of human personality must reveal yet another, surely a deeper reason for the very birth of this technological age. It is man's own false values that have made him the slave he is today. Man has come to live a life dictated by desires and lusts and their fiery throbs. Thus, by a moral and ethical breakup within him and around him, the floods of passions have gained an apparent recognition, status, and glory. The nations that demand more, the community that convicts more, The individual
Poets.
who indulges
Poets.
more. The individual who indulges more is today considered as progressive, successful, and smart. In such times, the theaters and nightclubs progress faster than the universities and the temple of God. Together, this brings in more unhappiness to humanity, besides more riches and splendor to the community. The Broadway glare blinds the majority, and they do not see the rot paraded, nor do they hear the blare of the hooting traffic and the defending modern music, which makes it
Deafening.
impossible. Huh? Modern,
Deafening.
huh, which makes it impossible for an average man to catch the bemoaning wail of tragedy from the inner, restless, fatigue, weary, and bored personality. This then is the cortege of our times, a sad humanity living through the richest era in its history.
कितना सच्ची है, so true. This was written 30, 40 years back, but it still continues, isn't it? Nightclubs, music, liquor, spirituality in the wrong text, styles, drugs. All this youth have been engulfed in all these vices. Why? Because that tendency, the tendency is to covet more and more, and to enjoy, and not think about the purpose of life. Why you are born? What is the purpose of our being born on this earth as a human? What is the duty? What is the responsibility? We forget everything. When we think that life is momentary, let us enjoy it. Right? This is the bare truth which is good. They say. Continue. News. Next week. What Ravi?
Be perpetuated? Is there any remedy? Can we help the world that is suffering today, caught up in the web of its own false values? Can mere preaching help us? Is there anything more than each can do to lift himself from his own sense of incompetency, boredom, frustration, and utter helplessness?
Bas.
Vedant.
Bas. See, can you? If I'll give you, say not experiment, but I'm talking about challenge पण नाही रे.
Assignment.
To test your own self. Assignment how do you test your own self? If you can remain for 15 minutes without any gadget, without any paper, without any book, without having anything, just be yourself alone in a room for 15 minutes, then you have done it.
I think today that sadhana has been given 30 minutes, no? Mauna sadhana,
90 minutes.
90 minutes.
90
Oh,
minutes. 90 minutes.
90 minutes.
कुठनं मिळालं तुम्हाला हे? म्हणण्या
सर मी
वस्तू.
टाकते ग्रुपवर टाकते मी स्टेटसवर
हे
टाकले
आता आता दिवस संपला, आता जाऊ दे, 90 मिनिटं नाही होणार आता. तो ठीक आहे, 9 मिनिटं तरी
जाऊ
करू.
दे सर, आज नाही तर उद्या करू.
उद्या करू. What is that? You have to remain quiet, na? That's what I'm doing. Gurudev, mission is saying 90 minutes, I'm telling you 10 minutes, 15 minutes. At least sit quiet in the place without anything, doing anything. If you cannot be happy with your own self, why inflict it on others? Gurudev says. If you cannot remain alone happily, why do you have to go in the world and spread unhappiness everywhere? Yeah, एकटं बसायची सवय नाहीये. That's why we get bored. Then what is all incompetency, boredom, frustration, utter helplessness. काय ते सारखं ते कमीत कमी मोबाईल तरी पाहिजे कमीत कमी. सारखं टुक 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 हात झिजून जातात, कान बहिरे होतात, आणि काय करायचं माहित नाही, आणि डोकं फिरतं ते वेगळंच. आणि एका मिनिटात नाही बघणार, 3-3 मिनिटात एकदम बघणार. लॅपटॉप एक बघणार, टीव्हीवर एक बघणार, मोबाईलवर एक बघणार, डोक्यात चौथं चालणार. इट्स डिफिकल्ट. What is multitasking? Difficult for any. And what it is diametrically opposite to what our scriptures have taught us. They tell us to focus on one thing. And I am not against science, but see, if you can take its help and progress, nothing like it. Because see, we are connecting through science only. We are getting YouTube lectures of Guruji from by way of science only. But not using it properly is a cardinal sin. Like with a knife, you can cut the cake, but then if you're angry, you can cut a person also. That is not the fault of the knife. It's the fault of the user. Similarly, the equipments, the gadgets, the internet, everything is 100% beneficial. But to those who to use it wrongly, it is a tragedy. And what to say, hazardous to them. How is that? Okay. So at least 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day, let us be off the gadgets. म्हणून जप करताना मोबाईल लांब ठेवावा. जप करता करता मला एक सांगा, जप करता का सगळे हो म्हणा फक्त येस येस सगळ्यांचं चालेल जप कोणाचं नाही झालं
चाललंय सर चाललंय
झालं तर व्हेरी गुड. तर I Divya, you are not there. I had given it as I don't know whether you heard the group or not. We had done it 3 weeks earlier that every day at least 1008 times you have to chant 10 malas you have to do every day. And that has been consistent.
So your voice is very garbled. It's not clear.
आता मी काय करू
It's breaking.
Now I don't know, Manvi. Divya, your network is not proper. You all can hear me, no? Every one of you all. I will keep this Sweden. So what I was telling you. So 10 malas a day we had decided to have, and then right from now 3 weeks, each one of us is doing that. Okay.
So 10 malas a day. Okay, sir, I'll do it.
Any of your Ishta mantra, Ishta Japta, whatever it is. But then we also discussed the benefits of it and how the things started changing after sitting on one seat of or doing japa. Okay. And what I was telling you and I forgot. I was going to tell you something interesting. I wanted to ask you something. See, when you are sitting on the seat of doing for japa, and if your mobile rings, what do you do? Give me an honest answer.
सर मोबाइल दूसरे रूम में ही रहता है और मैं जब दूसरे रूम में करती हूँ तो इसीलिए
तो डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गए.
I don't pick it up, sir. I don't pick it up.
मैं भी नहीं उठाती सर.
Very good. That is the real sadhana. See, because what happens if you phone देने का कुछ नहीं, but then what happens? The importance is given to the person or to individual instead of the Lord. We are now focusing and sitting for 10-15 minutes, totally entirely devoting our own selves at the feet of the Lord. आणि मग मोबाईल काय घ्यायचा माझ्यासाठी पण आहे बरं का, तुमच्यासाठी नाही. It is inclusive of me. Never think that when I am speaking that I am somebody great. I am a part of your own everyone, each one of them. तो लास्ट टाइम दैट अश्विनी कुमार से, अरे आप तो ऐसे बोलते हैं ग्रुप में, लेकिन आप तो ऐसे बोलते हैं सच में. बोले यार मेरे लिए भी है, आपके लिए नहीं है, सबके लिए हो. इट्स जस्ट लाउड थिंकिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. ओके, चलो कंटिन्यू. अभी ये दिस इज गुड. नाउ दिस इज पॉजिटिव. हाँ, रीड रवि.
Vedanta advises a path, a simple but effective daily exercise. Be quiet, the art of relaxation. In our present life, we carry an unnecessary load of worries, fears, anxieties, and excitements, which none can say are unnecessary, as they have become part of the price we have to pay in our present day life for all its vaster wealth, larger trade, greater production, and worldwide contacts. But we need not allow that load to crush us. In spite of them, we can learn to steel our shoulders and straighten our backbone. This technique is to be quiet.
Continue.
At least for 10 minutes each day.
Correct. I had not tried, na. देखो. हाँ.
At least for 10 minutes each day, let us try to be totally relaxed, not only in body, but also in both our mind and intellect. Allow the body to sit in total relaxation. As the body relaxes, we shall find that the mind dashes forth wildly, and our intellect too becomes stormy with swirling thoughts. In this pernicious tornado, let out by ourselves, we shall find all our worries, fears, regrets, passions, attachments, disappointments, even 1,000 petty things totally forgotten by us, all of them splintering about and together opening up an endless column of hell like fury.
Continue.
But we must have courage, we should not despair. Calmly let us observe the mad and furious chaos. Smile and cheerfully watch. We are not in any danger. We are just watching the wild cataclysm from the safe towers of our spiritual strength and divine power. Thus, maintain peace and poise in the heart and serenely watch on.
बस. And it's been practical tips. जैसा वैसा तो आपने पूछा, किसी ने पूछा नहीं, अच्छा ना पूछा, अच्छा वो पूछा नहीं, you got answer. मैंने बोला था 10 minutes just sit quiet in the room without having any gadgets. But no one asked me to do what. खाली अड़े से पागल से बैठने का नहीं. Then he has given what to do. He has given them. They don't just sit with your eyes closed and see what is saying. Continue. During these moments.
During these moments of watching, we are but a witness to our own inner urges and our outer world. As a witness, a passive but alert observer, we are neither involved in them nor do we participate in their confusions. It is always in our involvement and participation that we become the victims of the fury within or of the tearing storms in the outer world of problems.
But see, let us now, analytically analyze what exactly is going on in your mind. When you sit quietly on the seat of meditation, why name meditation? Just sit quietly with the eyes closed. What thoughts what is the nature of thoughts that come to our mind? Each one of us. Those thoughts come which we have given importance to those things in our life. For example, related to money. For example, related to health. For example, related to your name, fame. For example, related to your family. That was which priority I am giving the most in my life. Those thoughts come and pester us, trouble us, isn't it? कुठला विचार येतो डोळ्यात माझ्यासमोर माझ्या कामाचा, ऑफिसमधून फोन आला, काय करायचं आता काय करायचं, मला उद्या ऑफिसमध्ये असंच होणार आहे, त्या माणसाने मला काल असं बोलला, असं का बोललं मला, why did that person speak with me that way, is he speaking so arrogantly with me, now I'll teach him a lesson. Which thoughts, which things are going predominantly in your life, or to which things you give importance, those things come in your thought process, isn't it? Now our scriptures tells us the other way around. Like just now I explained to you, whether when the mobile comes, when I give priority and importance to my sadhana or to my Lord whom I'm praying, then everything becomes secondary. Similarly, when I sit quietly on the seat and do my japa, at that time tell your mind, Baba, this is the only period in time in which I am giving my total 100% to my Lord. Please don't come and disturb me now. Whatever you have to think, will do after the japa. See, mind is like a small child. How will tell it behaves that way? But sometimes the child, becomes a headache also. And that time you have to give it a punishment. But let that stage not come. And as far as possible, you all are pure souls. Can't problem kuch nahi. Once you decide that this should happen, that will happen. But only the problem is that we don't decide. करता राहते कधी काही करता येईल, पण आपला हा प्रॉब्लेम आपण काही करतच नाही, ठरवतच नाही. आता जप इतक्या वर्ष तुम्हाला जप करायचं माहित नव्हतं का, सांगा मला. सगळ्यांना माहित होतं आपल्याला की जप करणं आवश्यक आहे. आम्ही उठता बसता खेळता हसता खाते बी रामको पिते बी रामको सगळं करतो, पण बसून एका जागेवर करतो कुठे, बैठते बी रामको म्हटलंय ना. एका जागेवर म्हणून जप करा, ईश्वराचं अनुसंधान साधू दे. See, the only thing in life is which is very important is to connect with higher. And how to connect to that divinity or to Gurudev or to your Ishta Devata is the Bhakti Yoga or Bhakti Marg of each one of us, which is not similar to the other person. म्हणून तो कसं करतोय म्हणून मी करतो. डोंट कॉपी एनीबडी. लेट युअर field of progress or let your track of progress be totally independent of all this. माझ्यासारखं मीच बघते. मी तुलसीदासांसारखं नाही, किंवा तुकारामासारखं नाही, तरी माझं तू पोचू सुरू होत असेल तरी ना, कोणी नाहीये, माझं मीच आहे. तसं आपण आपलंच आहे. We are our own devotees, our own teachers, our own guides, our own path guiding. काय म्हणतात त्याला, I forgot. Anyway, that person who guides what is in him. But that, see, सगळं झालं उद्धर, lift yourself by yourself म्हटलं. Therefore, every path we know what to do. It is not that we have to be coaxed every time. I know. For example, I have to sit for japa. Don't I know that? At that time, I have to focus on that. Don't I know that? Everything I know. But only the problem is that my mind comes and disturbs me now and then. हे मन थोडंसं शांत केलं ना की मन ऐकतं. असं नाही की मन ऐकत नाही आपलं. आणि म्हणून त्या ईश्वराचं अनुसंधान साधावं, नेहमी प्रयत्न करावा की लेट मी बी इन कनेक्शन विथ द लॉर्ड. अँड हाऊ इज दॅट पॉसिबल throughout the day? Is that every incident in your life correlated to the Lord? अरे वा, हा आज कशाला भेटला बरं? ईश्वराची इच्छा होती. आलं का नाही ईश्वराच्या? आज मला हे काम काय मिळालं, मला आज लोक असे काय बोलतायत का? बहुतेक माझा अहंकार जास्त आहे, असं तिकडनं मला लोक, ईश्वराने त्या लोकांना मला बोलायला लावले, म्हणजे माझा अहंकार कमी होईल. प्रत्येक आयुष्यातल्या घटनेत जर ईश्वराचा हात बघितला ना, तर आपलं अनुसंधान पण राहतं आणि आपण शिकतो पण, आणि आपला त्रास पण होत नाही. अरे आज ईश्वराने मला देवाने खूप हसवलं बाबा आज. म्हणजे काय होतं, करता करता ईश्वर होतं. अरे आज खायला मला जिलबी मिळाली, कसं काय? प्रत्येक गोष्टी जर ईश्वराचा हात बघायला बघत ना, आणि आहे तो बघायला लागायला, म्हणजे आय एम नॉट टेलिंग समथिंग टू डू आउट ऑफ द ब्लू. इट इज रिअली देअर, बट आय डोंट से. लाईक द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू ऑल द गॅजेट्स अँड वी आर गेटिंग लाईट, wind, air, all the benefits. Similarly, that divinity is flowing through each and every individual in this world, and through that person the Lord is only functioning. म्हणून कोणाचा don't hate anybody, don't speak harshly with anybody. As far as person smile and finish it off. आपल्याला कुठे ते राहायचं, आयुष्यभर राहायचंय, कोणावर राहायचंय, उगीच झापाचे कशाला करायचे? I don't like, I fire them left and right. Why? You are in a position to fire him, that you're firing. That's why you're firing. आपण हा विचार करत नाही, आपल्याला दुखायला एक सेकंद लागत नाही. ते म्हणतात ना, टू ब्रेक द थ्रेड इट टेक्स हार्डली अ मोमेंट, बट अगेन इफ यू टाईट देर विल बी अ नॉट इन दॅट फॉर पर्मनंट. म्हणून रिलेशनशिप खूप छानपणे मेंटेन करायला पाहिजे, खूप छान जपायला पाहिजे. नात्यातले इकडचे तिकडे कसे जपवायचे ते आपलं त्याच्यात ते नॅक समजायला पाहिजे. मग तिथे आपल्याला जर आपण हा विचार केला की ईश्वरच सहयोग करतोय, असं ते ठीक आहे, त्याची वासना तशी आहे, त्याचा बोलण्याची पद्धत तशी आहे, त्याचा डोक्याचा विचार तसा आहे, लेट हिम ही इज बिहेविंग ॲज पर हिज वासनास. मग आय डोंट गेट एनी प्रॉब्लेम. नंतर काय होतं की लोक कोणतरी बोललो मी इतकं करतोय आणि लोक मला असेच बोलतात. आपला हा विचार ना खूप होतं, एस्पेशली बायकांचं. खरंच ते राबतात, दिवस रात्र राबत असतात. आय एम नॉट निगेटिंग दॅट. They are working right day in and day out for 24 hours without any rest. And sometimes if no one acknowledges it, then they feel bad. इतकं मी करते आणि कोणी मला हो चांगलं केलं म्हणतच नाही, काय ह्याला अर्थ आहे का काय? पण हा विचार करत नाही. मी हा पण विचार करावा की द अदर पर्सन इज नोईंग इट, त्याला समजतंय, फक्त बोलून दाखवत नाही. हा ना, की मग ती खंत राहणार नाही म्हणत, कारण मी इतकं करतोय आणि मला काय सांगतच नाही. आणि सारखं आहे बघा. आणि मला एकाने सांगितलं, देवाकडे आपण काय ते मागितलं ना, आपल्याला ते दिलं ना की आपलं तिकडे पगार कट होऊन जातो, संपला विषय है ना. तसंच आहे की आपण ज्यावेळेला कुठेतरी चांगलं कृत्य करतो, गुड ऍक्शन अँड एक्सपेक्ट ॲप्रिसिएशन अँड व्हॉट यू से, name. From that the merit of that thing is lost. This is गुरुजींनी सांगितलं. What someone गुरुजींनी सांगितलं की तर तुम्हाला म्हणे यू आर वर्किंग फॉर द मिशन अँड सपोज युअर नेम डझंट अपिअर इन तपोवन प्रसाद तर यू गेट हर्ट. सगळ्याचं नाव आले, त्याचं प्रेसिडेंटचं नाव आलं, व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंटचं नाव आलं, सेक्रेटरीचं नाव दिलं नाही. हे काय म्हणे आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू हिअर. द स्मॉल थिंग्स आर देअर विच पीपल टेक टू द हार्ट अँड दे लूज द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दे हॅड. आपल्याला संधी मिळत असे. कोणी कशाला काय म्हणायला पाहिजे, कोणी नाही म्हटलं तर उलट चांगलं आहे. वी आर कीपिंग द लॉर्ड इंडेटेड. नाही तर हा काय दिव्या की छान काम करते म्हटलं की दिव्याचं माझं संपून संपला. व्हेरी गुड. आलं का लक्षात? समजते का मी काय बोलते का? आउट ऑफ द ब्लू चाललंय ना. त्यामुळे ते म्हणून ते सांगितलं दिस ॲटिट्यूड ऑफ डिटॅचमेंट हॅव यू नाही दिस यू हॅव टू रीड इट. Actually, I will read it. Okay, if I have given thumbnail. This is the attitude of detachment. Our mind rests in its own poise while watching the hectic dance of happening around and within us. Under such a situation, it is found that a mad dance of the mind quietens just by itself. We shall sink into an all-embracing mood of quietude. This is the beginning of meditation. आपोआप मन शांत काही करायचं नाही. आता बघा प्रत्येकाचं मन जस्ट ओन फॉर मोमेंट 2 seconds जस्ट ऑब्झर्व माइंड किती शांत झाले. काय केले का? काही नाही. आपण फक्त ज्या वेळेला आपण त्या परमात्म्याचं फक्त चिंतन करायला लागतो आपलं मन आता ऑटोमॅटिकली शांत होतं. किती शक्ती बघा त्याच्या नावात. काय केलं सांगा तुम्ही मला की मी 1 लाख वेळा जप केलाय आता बघ मला शांत. काय केलं नाही. फक्त शांत बसला, आपली प्रार्थना घेतली. बरं प्रार्थनेतल्या दरवेळेला वैभव आम्ही म्हणत असतो हे प्रभू आनंद. आता मी ग्रुपमध्ये सांगितलं होतं बालविहारमध्ये आपण का दरवेळेला घेतो माहितीये का? जोपर्यंत आपण परफेक्ट होत नाही ना तोपर्यंत निंदा किसी की हम किसी की भूल कर भी ना करे, निंदा किसी की हम किसी की दरवेळेला वागतो का जसं प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य सेवा करतो का? तथ्य बोले झूठ त्यागी करतो का? म्हणून ती प्रार्थना दरवेळेला घ्यायची असते की ते रिपीटेटिव्ह की बाबा हे प्रभू आनंदाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए. जोपर्यंत दुर्गुण दूर होत नाही तोपर्यंत प्रार्थना राहणारच. किसीने मेरे को पूछा अरे दरवेळेला काय एकदाच घ्या ना, दरवेळेला हे प्रभू काय करायचं. आता आम्ही लहान प्रभूसाठी म्हणतो किती वर्ष झाली तरी वी आर सेइंग द सेम प्रेयर एव्हरी डे राईट फ्रॉम द प्रीची ग्रुप. वी स्टार्टेड इन आय लव्ह यू सपोज द गेम ऑफ लाईफ. फ्रॉम दॅट टाइम वी आर टेकिंग द प्रेयर हे प्रभू आनंद दाता. आपण लक्षात मेकॅनिकली होतं ना मग प्रॉब्लेम होतो. ज्यावेळेस समजून कुठली ते गोष्ट होतं मन शांत होतं. ओके चलो लेट आय प्रे ॲट द फीट ऑफ गुरुदेव दॅट he keeps us on this path, the path of spirituality forever. And when our end comes near we are the purpose of which we have been born is fulfilled for each one of us. Okay, Divya take place too. I'm closing the group early because we have a bhajan at Chinmay Vihar Karwanagar at 7 o'clock. Okay?
So should we start the? We may not do, but at least sing.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then we'll take.
So you only take note.
Yeah,
Sing nicely.
Yeah. Rati Shri Chinmaya Sadhuji Divya Rupamurati Karunaki Bharati Sadhuji चरणों में उनके शान समाए, शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए, पाप ताप संताप हरण की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की. वेद उपनिषद गीत को गाया, धर्म सनातन फिर जगाया, शंकर की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की. सिद्ध बाढ़ में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे, भक्त हृदय आनंद स्रोत की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की. दिव्य रूपमूर्ति करुणाकी आरती सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की. नमत्र सूर्यो भागवतंकारकं देवानुग्रहात्मदेव देवानुग्रहात्मदेव तमेव भागवतमनुभारशरं तस्य भाषार्थं ये सकुमात्मरायणिः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्
We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly, the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage, and wisdom. May thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is the devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.
हरि ओम। We'll meet next time.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, sir.